Hello. There was some questions about how to handle certain things um, within Canvas. This video will talk about how to enter your journal entries. Let's look at the last journal entry from Wednesday. So when you come in, you get your ELA with Mr. K modules for the week of 3:30. And down here at Wednesday, you would click on the page and it will open up. I am trying to provide you information each day about what is going on and what is happening so that you can not be overwhelmed and also have something new and fresh to look at every day as opposed to looking at the same thing. Since Wednesday was April Fool's Day, I put a little bit of information about April Fool's Day up. One of the things was, especially when I was in Canada on April Fool's Day, it really wasn't about tricks. It was about sticking a fish to someone's back. So that's why I put that up. But there's a history video, Ask History video about it that explains. Really, we don't know. And sometimes that happens quite often in our society. We don't know. Down here, you'll see the hyperlink for the journal topic, which will take you to the assignment page. And once you click on that, it will give it to you. It will give you the due date up here, the number of points, and how you will submit it. And that is right here in this blue button here, Submit Assignment. Then you can read my directions about what to do with it. As we continue to come with terms with what our lives and our routines have become, help me understand what your lives as students are like. And now I've given you 4 or 5 questions, and then I've given you the sentence starters and a little bit of extra information for you to do that. Reflect on it, think about it, then go up here to the Submit Assignment tab. Click on that. You will get again the instructions for what you need to do, and then you begin typing in here. My life as a student has changed positively because I now can get up later. Oops. And then you can put that up in there, and I think I forgot an I. And then once you're done, you submit your assignment. And there you go. That's how you do that. Then you can go back to ELA with Mr. K and see if there's anything else in that Wednesday tab. Yesterday there was nothing else for you to do, so that's all you needed to know. All right, so there you go. There's how to handle your journal entries.